Nothing beats the KFC recipe for gravy. I think I figured it out. This gravy has just 8 simple ingredients. Our 8 ingredients are onion powder, chicken cube, beef cube, butter, flour, salt, pepper, and boiling water. In a saucepan over low heat, add your 2½ cups of water, your chicken cube, and your beef cube. You'll want to bring that to a slow boil. Set that aside so that the cubes will melt. The reason that you'll want to use a chicken cube and a beef cube is that the chicken cube will add that rich chicken flavor and the beef cube will add that nice dark caramel color that this gravy is known for. Now that your liquid is boiling, set this aside and we'll start on our roux. To make a roux, which is what thickens your gravy, you're going to take 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour, and you'll melt that all together until it forms a nice sandy paste. You can use a wooden spoon for this part, or you can use a high heat spatula. The texture that you'll want to cook this to is dry sand on a cloudy day. Let's add our liquid into our roux. If you have a little bit of that cube that's not completely melted, go ahead and put it into your sauce. Okay, while that is thickening, and I'm going to add in my onion powder. You'll want about a teaspoon. You'll want a teaspoon of black pepper and about a teaspoon of salt. Stir this all together. It's starting to thicken already. Your gravy is ready when it coats the back of your spatula. Our gravy's ready and it's gonna go great on some mashed potatoes. Let's give this a try. This is the perfect serving utensil to give us that just fresh from KFC look. And there's our mashed potatoes. This looks just like you would get at KFC. Let's see if it tastes just like KFC. I can't wait to dig in. It smells just like KFC mashed potatoes. Dig in. That's just what I was looking for. This gravy is perfect. It's got that hint of beefy flavor, the hint of chicken flavor, and also it's not too salty because you control the amount of salt in there. That little bit of pepper gives it just a tiny bite that goes perfectly with these mashed potatoes. This gravy is good for anything, not just mashed potatoes. It's good for potato wedges, it's good for roast pork, fried chicken, roast chicken. It's good for beef, whatever you'd like to have this with. It's even good on roast veggies. This will be your go-to gravy recipe for any meal you make. And I bet you can make it with ingredients you already have in your pantry.